Hey guys, this is V and welcome back to Designs by V. Have you ever wanted to dine out at night and dine out in style, but you're like, girl, these lights are horrible. Um, I want to at least see my plate setting and my food. Stay tuned and I will show you how to DIY a chandelier for outdoors. Yes, look at her. Look at she. Isn't she beautiful? Well, it's around maybe like 7 o'clock at night and she is on. Isn't she fabulous? Look at her legs. You see all the scrollerization? Yes, is my word and I'm sticking with it. Look at all of that beauty. Guys, would you believe these are just solar lights that I use to enhance a chandelier? And guys, this gives loads of light in this area right here. And I'm going to show you later on in the video, as you see in the beginning, the table setting and how the ambiance, yes, she said ambianceization, how that beautiful ambiance at night when we are out here dining. So I'm going to show you two sets of lighting. This is around maybe 6 o'clock and it's just starting to come on. And I think this one is not on yet, but if I put my hand over it, it will darkness on the solar panel will make it come on. I'm also going to show you how to make a lamp light that you could dine outdoor in style. And the beauty about this, once this glow is on, the bugs and mosquitoes don't come close to it because I don't know why. I ain't gonna even lie to you. But I'm gonna show you later on how to make this. I just want you to just look at how pretty she is. Isn't she lovely? And guys, I made this last year. It stayed out all winter. So it's a year since this been up. And it, through windstorm, whatever it is, this stayed out there and held up pretty good. So all you will need maybe for your decor style is some paint, some spray paint. You're going to need some screws, a screwdriver, and the solar lights of choice. And I did screw mines into the area. So let's go ahead and show you how I made it. So first, I'm going to start with the lamp light. And I use this on my side table outdoors. So it could look like indoors because I like the dinerization. Yes, I said dinerization. And I do it a lot. You just don't know about it yet. So what I'm doing is taking the cord out. And I'm going to cut the cord. That's the cord that you plug into the electrical part. You don't need that. And you don't want to trip on that outside because a dentist visit is going to be too much. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the cord component out of here. I'm even going to pull a little bit more out of it. I'm going to use my plier and there's a little piece hanging out. I'm trying to get it with that, but girl, ain't working. So I'm going to spin it out of the area, popping it out. Yes, it's gone. So now I was trying to show you my ashy hands because I stay working. So now you're going to get your solar lights and you want one that has like a little bit of like a little area on it so that you could stick it in that part. So what happened here, the area for over the finial, under the finial where you hold your shade, that one was a little bit too small. So you'll have to get one that fit inside of your solar lights, sit over your solar lights. So see if you could get one that has a higher arch. That's the metal piece that holds your light. And this is one that I already done. This one was sitting out since last year. And I like getting the metal because it's already coated. It's, doing its thing. It's been around for a while. And I get mine from the thrift store. This one, I paid $2 for it. The other one, I think I paid See, I'm showing you the price. The other one I might have paid $2.99 for it because it's a bigger metal one. And you want, and then voila, this is your lampshade, girl. Who would have known? Yes, lampshade outside. Now now once you make that, and nobody else fancy on the block but you. So you're going to, what I did was I put a washer on top of the on top of what I'm using as a lampshade. And girl, you get that from the Dollar Tree. That's that waste basket. As if you didn't know, that's that Dollar Tree waste basket that you use to make that outdoor light. And look how it look. Girl, you fancy. After you make that, you will be fancy. So look at the warm glow of light that it give, and imagine you have four at each corner. Yes, the mosquitoes and bugs wouldn't even know where to find you because they don't like this low light. They like highlight. And now I was showing you my chandelier, and I want to show you how I made this. And like I said, she been out since last year. She is so loyal. She is so faithful. My kids like, Ma, do you have a chandelier in every area? And I'm like, yeah, I got a chandelier. Yeah, yeah, it's a chandelier. Yes, my kids laugh when I say this word all the time. I'm like, leave me alone. So this is one that I'm showing you again. You're gonna get the solar light of your choice. These that I have, I thrifted them from the Goodwill about a year ago also, and I'm leaving the 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 chain is the word. Like sometimes I go blank, girl. And what I did was I put it down in the light fixture area, and I screw it in with a drill. And this is sturdy like all get out, and it's in place. And girl, look how this look. I just love it. I'm going to do a table set and showing you guys how it looks. But if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment, girl. Look at this dinerization. Yes, look at this dining. Yes, all you got to do is get the kids away and you and your boo at either end, or you could get close by. And you dining out here, girl, you in the south of France, you in the hills of Italy with a private chef. Yes, dream, dream, dream. So I did a little table setting for you guys to show what light this gives. And there's no other lighting out here but the two lights that you're seeing. Isn't that sexy? Yes. Look at all of that sexualization. And as you see, it's like pitch dark outside. And look all of that beautification with that light. Isn't that a lovely idea? I think you guys should try it. And when you try it, come over to my Instagram and send me a picture of it. It's designed by V, with V is 3 E's. So it's VEEE. Look at this, girl. Ain't nobody better than you, the fanciest person on the block. Yes. So I turned on the light, and this how everything is looking out there. But I like the warm glow of the light. Because as soon as I put on the top light, them big old bugs start slapping me. One hit me on my booty. I thought it was somebody. I was like, who that? So, guys, this is how it look without the light. And I think that ambiance is just sexy. Yes. Beautiful. Guys, I'm for real. That bug did hit me. And look at the glow from the Dollar Tree shade wastebasket. And look how bright this is. Yes, and you have to pay no electricity, no electricalization. You don't have to pay no bill coming. Yes, look at how all of that prettiness look. And again, I put back on the light and show you, but I think I rather the other one. I think I rather the warm glow because, like I said, These country bugs, they act like they got arms. One good old smack I got, I was like, let me get out of here. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe again, and share. Let YouTube know that this girl here, she been DIYing it up all week, and that they could push my video. Bye-bye.